Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So we are again back with some of the job updates, including software development jobs and internships. And before moving on with the video, thank you so much for the 2K subscribers. And now let's get started. So the very first job is from OK Credit. It's a software engineering backend role. So what they are looking at, they are looking for people having 1 to 2 years of backend development experience. It's not a industrial experience. You just need to have a backend experience. Then proficient in Golang is desirable, and you should be familiar with SQL and Postgres. Next job update is from LTI. It's a virtual off-campus drive, and it's referral based only 2020 and 2021. In the description box below, I will give the link as well as the person who has shared the link with me and the name of the person. So while filling the form, there are two fields which are mandatory, that are email ID of the referrer and referred by. So you have to put the name of that person, and they are looking for all type of roles. So just put your branch name, college, and everything, and you will be called up. And to check out more about LTI, the interview experiences, you can just visit on our interview experiences series and search for LTI. Also, I will put the link in the description box below. Before moving on to the next job update, many of you might be interested in GATE and want to know and crack it. Also, many people think of preparing it from second year, third year, or even in first year. So, students, those who are in for their second year and third year, they can opt for GATE and ESC 2023 batches introduced by an academy, and it's for all the branches: CS, IT, mechanical, civil, chemical, electrical, and ECE. So if you are a student of CS, you might be knowing Sanchit Jain, who is very much familiar with all the fundamentals of computer, along with the SQL videos that you might have seen across YouTube. So he will be teaching dif- uh, he will be teaching different fundamentals of our GATE CSE 2023 batches. So if you are interested, you can come up here and enroll for the courses. Don't forget to use our code BSW10 to avail special 10% off on the courses. Also, link for applying for this courses will be in the description box below. So what currently the offer is going on. So if you apply for 12 months subscription for the courses, you will get 3 months extra without paying any extra charges. So usually the gate subscription is of 32K and additional is 14K. Now the total value is 47, but using our referral code discount and savings on additional month, you will be paying 30K for the course in total. So you can definitely come up here and subscribe now. The link is in the description box below. Next job update is from Discovery. They are looking for new grad software engineer. Mostly 2022 will be only eligible. The qualifications that they are looking for, the person should be having degree in computer science or related field. Fundamentals should be clear, like object-oriented programming, data structures, and algorithms. Then he should be familiar with Java, C, C++, Python, Golang, or JavaScript, and must be graduating in 2022. So only 2022 people are eligible, and he must have at least 7.5 CGPA or above. The next job update is from onlinesales.ai. It's an internship opportunity. The role is SD, and the stipend that they are offering is 15K. The company location is in Pune, but I guess they also offer remote work. So the tech stack required are JavaScript, Node.js, Java, Python, MySQL, MongoDB, AWS, Kubernetes, and Redshift. Now they are looking for person having a good knowledge in data structures and problem solving skills. If you are interested, you can send your resumes to Parimal Dani. You can connect with him on LinkedIn. Also, you can email your resumes to parimal.dani@onlinesales.ai. I will give the link in the description box below. You can reach him. Next is an intern position from Flipkart. So uh, they are looking for a person having skills in data analytics, problem solving, excellent communication. Location will be Bangalore, Karnataka, and it's an internship position. Not much more is mentioned about it. You can come here and apply. Also, they are looking for candidates who are strong in programming skills in Python, Java, Bash programming. They must have done their BS in computer science, information management, or any related field. And all the links to the jobs will be in the description box below. Go and check them out. और अगर अच्छा लगा होगा तो do like this video. And also thank you once again for this 2k subs. And we also have our Telegram channel where all the updates regarding our channel are put up first. You can join that group also. And if you are in and any one of you are interested in giving in their interview experiences on our channel, you can fill up the form. The link is also in the description box below. We will contact them separately. तब तक के लिए take care and prepare.